Good evening, everyone, and welcome to the Beehive on a Saturday night. We've got some great music coming up here in a couple minutes. I'll give you a little bit of highlights of things that are going around the village and our space this week. Tomorrow, we will be representing these 4 restaurants at the World Championship Cheese Dip Contest in Little Rock tomorrow. So we'll be down there doing cheese dip with 2,000 other people that will be there tasting cheese dip. 12 to 4 River Market. If you're in Little Rock tomorrow, come by and check us out. It's for one of the big healthcare organizations, charity healthcare organizations in Little Rock. It's gonna be a good time. We're making a special andouille sausage kind of spiced cheese dip. It's going to be super tasty. That's tomorrow at 2 o'clock. On Monday, of course, we got our catfish down at the lake. If you haven't had our catfish, super good. All you can eat catfish down there for $14.95. Tuesday, back here, Taco Tuesday. We got our great tacos here on Tuesday night, all $1 off, and you can order one at a time on Tuesdays, along with Zachary's famous $4 margaritas on Tuesday night. Wednesday night, we have our open mic night this week. Special treat. My wife is singing with her band here Wednesday night because my son's getting married on Saturday, so all of our relatives are coming, her sister, everybody else, and so her and her band are going to play here on Wednesday night. So we want to come here to them. They are fantastic. They've been together about 6 months, and this will be their second gig here at the Beehive that we'll be playing here Wednesday night this week. Thursday night, we've got the all-you-can-eat fried chicken down the lake and team trivia here at the Beehive. If you haven't come here to play trivia, definitely come and check that out. It's a lot of fun. We have a lot of people playing. You can play with 1 person, 10 people. It doesn't matter. Only rule is you can't use your cell phone to get the answers. We don't care any other way. If somebody across the room yells out the answer, we discourage that, but you know, it happens. Then of course Friday night, Saturday night live music back here at the Beehive again as always. So you're gonna want to come and check out all these things that are going on around the village and all the Explore restaurants that we have out here as well. But tonight we've got a special band. This is their first gig here at the Beehive, so the first time they're here visiting our beautiful place here in Hot Springs Village, all the way from Temple, Texas. Cool place. Temple is the home of Dr. Pepper, right? Wasn't Dr. Pepper invented in Temple? Oh, that was in Waco. Yeah. See, close by.
Waco, Dublin, Temple.
Close. Down that direction anyway. So anyway, the Garrett Smith Band's going to be here playing some great music for us tonight until 10 p.m. So let's give them a good Hot Springs Village welcome to their first time here in Hot Springs, Garrett Smith Band.
All at Beehive tonight. We drove all the way in from Temple, Texas this morning to be with y'all. And I gotta say, y'all have a beautiful state. I'm just gonna say that. So, who's glad it's the weekend? Okay, a couple people are happy it's the weekend. I mean, if you enjoy work, that's great, but if you're really happy it's the weekend, this next song is for you. It's about cutting loose at the dance hall. As I mentioned earlier, it's a really beautiful drive on the way in today because a lot of people in Texas will say, well, Texas isn't the South. I'm like, well, once you get east of I-35 it is. And so there's beautiful pine trees and getting right up in here to Arkansas Aransas. We're gonna do a little song about living in this great southern place. It's from the upcoming album called Rev and Dixie. I thought we were in trouble. All right, let's go Rev and Dixie.